Good morning. Welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today I'm going to be showing you how to properly clay bar your vehicle. I recommend doing it once a year, along with waxing. That should be done 3 times a year on average. And of course, washing it should be done at least every 7 to 14 days, at least 3 times a month minimum. So let me go ahead and explain the products. Well, as you can see here, I'm definitely a Meguiar's car care product user. I've been using their products since 1985, and these are all my products. I paid for them all. I did not receive them as a gift from Meguiar's to do this video. I had some friends on Facebook give me a few suggestions for what they'd want to see, and one of them was how to clay bar your car properly. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and describe what each of the products are. And this is their Gold Class car wash. I use it with a foaming soap gun. In case you don't know what that is, this goes into a container. That container hooks up to a garden hose, and then as this is drawn out of the container and mixes with water and air, it creates a tremendous amount of foam, which is really beneficial to the paint. And because when you're washing it, the soap will hold water, and then as you're washing it off, the dirt floats on top of the foam, and then it just falls right off the vehicle. Chances of scratching the paint are a lot less by using a foam gun, and is highly recommended. How do I describe it? It's a bubble bath for your car. This is their clay bar. I'll show you this downstairs. This is the wax I use. It's the ultimate liquid wax. I use it, like I said, 3 times a year. This is their spray wax. I use this once a month, usually around the first, well, at least the first time I get it washed each month. It's an in-between wax job, and it's really simple to do. It could take you probably 20 minutes to do it. This is their tire dressing, and this is their interior detail. It has a medium sheen to it. It's really nice. It's not greasy. It's not sticky. It doesn't collect dust. You can also use it on bumpers outside or black door trim. So all these products, like I said, I bought them all myself. They were not supplied by Meguiar's. So let's get to it. Go downstairs. I'll show you how to properly clay bar your vehicle, and then wax it, clean the tires, do the inside. That's it. Okay, so I went downstairs to get the foamy spray gun to show you what it looks like. This is it. It is made by Blackfire. I bought it from Auto Geek for about $100 about 5 years ago. It's heavy duty. It's all brass, quick release. So you put the garden hose on here, put soap in here. There's an air adjuster here. I got it set on maximum for maximum flow rate of the foam. Then you just squeeze this back, put it on there. That's it. Squeeze the trigger, foam comes out, you're ready to go. So let's get downstairs and put all this stuff to work. Step 1, grab the sweeper nozzle and rinse off the loose dirt. Step 2, grab your sudser and a mitt and get to work. Step 3, rinse and dry the car with the chamois. Step 4, clay bar and get the clay in. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to properly clay bar your paint. Got a polishing cloth, quick detailer, which is used as a lubricant for the clay bar, and the clay bar itself. It's kind of cool. They give you 2 bars, and they do last quite a long time. I think I got this on sale at Pet Boys for 20 bucks. Like I said, you got 2 bars. The last bar I used for about probably 3 years. My paint was never that bad. It's pretty good shape now. So this would be really good. So I'll show you how to prepare for it. So then what you do, you fold it up once or twice, make a little patty out of it, just like this. Now we'll get to it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to properly clay bar your paint. I like to do it in force, and then I'll wipe the whole half of the hood off, and then I'll go to the next one. I'll do the roof, the window, and then I'll start with the sides until I'm all done. And then after that, I'm going to show you how to wax it. So let's get to it. Okay, so you want to spray it liberally on one side, and then just go in circular small circular motions. And then if you come across a dry spot, the clay might stick and leave a mark, but that's totally fine, because it'll come off when you wipe it with a rag. And just keep doing the quarters. Then take your rag, wipe it off, smooth as a baby's butt, or a piece of glass, whatever you prefer. See, and on this side, see how it squeaks? You can feel the difference. This side, there's nothing. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the whole car, and then we'll do the other part. Okay, well, I'm gonna do this half of the hood too. I'm just gonna do the whole entire thing. That way you can see how it turns out when it's all done. Once again, just do it in force. Take the bar, and you can rest your palm on the paint, because it'll just slide across with the lubricant. See, it had a few dry spots here, but it's all right. Okay, so now to buff it off. See? Nice and smooth. So that's it for the clay bar. Step 5, apply the wax and lightly wipe off when dry. Okay, so now onto the waxing part. I like to use an orbital buffer to put the wax on and take it off. I use a foam bonnet to apply the wax to the paint. And of course, this is the wax, the ultimate Meguiar's wax. This is a microfiber bonnet that I use to buff the wax after I've wiped it off with a microfiber towel. So let me show you how to apply the wax. I'm not going to use this one because I have one already here. The best way to apply it onto the bonnet is to start in the middle, just do some turning. You don't want to put too much on. And then what you want to do is take a plastic knife and just work from the center out. That's it. Now I'll show you how to wax it. Okay, so now on to waxing. It's the same as the clay bar. You do it in quarters, a section at a time. Do the top parts, you know, the hood, the roof. If you had a trunk, you do the trunk. Then you do the front sides, the middle sides, the rear sides. It's the same principle, so here we go. I still can only use one hand because my dislocated shoulder. And then just apply a little more wax after maybe each half a section. Okay, so then it's the same on this side. You know, a lot of people are scared to use orbital buffers. I have no idea why. It just makes it so much easier and a lot less stress on your hands. And it does a much better job and a quicker job at that. Step 6, use the buffer and get the buffing. Okay, so now the hood's all waxed. I just got to take off the wax real quick. You don't have to do it really good, just like that. I already have the buffer ready. So now all you do, just go back and forth. All you have to do is one way, then the other way, and that's it. You don't want to get too carried away. And you especially don't want to hold the wax, the buffer on corners and stuff. You just want to go over those as quick as possible. So that's it. I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of the car, and then I think all that's left now is tire dressing, put some ultimate detailer on the mirrors and the black bumpers, and that's it. I'll show you when it's all done. Step 7, apply the tire dressing and detail all the plastics. Okay, well that's a wrap up for the clay barring with Paul Henderson. It took about 3 hours total between washing it, doing the clay bar, waxing, buffing, detailing all the black trim, putting tire protector on the tires. That's it. Quick, painless, and that's how you do it the right way. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Step 8, enjoy your shiny ride.